guys, welcome to today's class. In today's class, we'll be looking at equations, exponential equations, still under indices. So these are equations. Exponential equations are equations with initial notations. In solving such equation, we have to note the following relationship. We have to note that, for example, if you have a raised power m equal to a raised power n, we have to note that if the base are equal, you equate what? The indices. You equate their index. If the base are equal, you cancel the base and equate their index, which is what? M is equal to what? N. So let's apply this by solving some problem on exponential equations. So this first problem says 9 raised power 2x minus 1 over 27 raised power x plus 1 is equal to 1. Find the value of x. We have to find what? X. Now to solve this, we have to bring this to the lowest form of indices, the 9 and the 27. So we say this is equal to 3 raised to power, the 9 on the top is equal to 3 raised to power 2 all in bracket 2x minus 1. 3 raised to power 2 is 9. 3 times 3, 9. Over 27 should be 3 raised to power 3, x plus 1. 3 raised to power 3 is 3 times 3 times 3, which is what? So we have 1. So now, these 3 can cancel out these 3. And we are left with 2 in bracket 2x minus 1 over 3 in bracket x plus 1 equals to 1. So now if we cross multiply, we are having 1 here because multiply this times this and this times this. So we have 2 2x minus 1 times 1 will still give you 2x. So equals to 3x plus 1. So 2 times, let's open bracket, remove in bracket. If you remove this bracket, we have 2 times 2x gives you what? 4x minus 2 times minus will give you minus 2 equal to 3 times x gives you what? 3x. So 3 times plus 1 gives you what? Plus 3. So now if we collect like terms, we take 3x to this other side of the equation and take minus 2 to this other side. Since 3x is carrying a positive sign, as it's crossing this equality sign coming to this other side of the equation, it's turning to negative, which is 4x minus 3x is equal to 3, this 3. We take minus 2 to this other side of the equation, turns to positive plus what? 2. So this is equal to what? 5. 4x minus 3 gives you what? X, which is 1. So you can't just write 1x plus x. So our answer is what? 5. The value for x is what? 5. Now let's solve another problem. This other problem says, let's call this A, B. So this other problem says 5 raised power 2x minus 25 is equal to 0. This is very simple. So turn this to lowest form of indices, which is 5 raised power 2x minus 5 raised power 2 equal to what? 0. This is 5 raised power equal to 0. So if you take minus 5 raised power 2 into this other side of the equation, take it to the other side of the equation, since carrying negative sign, it turn to a positive. So it will give you 5 raised power 2x equal to 5 raised power 2. And remember, as the base from our law says that if the base are equal, you cancel out the base and equate what? Their index. So we cancel out this base and equate the index. So this will now be equal to 2x equal to 2. So if we divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 2, we say 2x over 2 divided by 2 equal to 2 over 2. So 2 will cancel 2 and 2 cancel 1. So x is equal to what? 1 is the answer. So let's attempt another one that says 8 raised to power. Okay, this is C. And it says that the cube root of 4 raised by 2x is equal to what? 16. Find the value of x. We are asked to find what? X. So now to solve this, remember from the fractional law of indices, this is equal to 4 raised to power 2x over 3 equals to what? 16. If you turn it the other way, you see you are arrive at this using the fractional law of indices. So now this is equal to 4 is 2 raised power what? 2. 2 raised power 2 in bracket 2x over 3 equals to what? Now let's make 16 in this form. 2 raised power what? 4. 16 is 2 raised power 4. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 16. So this base can cancel from the law says that when the base are equal, cancel out the base and equate what? The indices. So we have what? 2 raised power, sorry, 2x over 3 equal to what? 4. 4. So now 2 can multiply by 2x. If you multiply this, 2 gives you what? 4x over 3 equal to what? 4. So if we cross multiply, we have 4x times 1 equal to 4 times 3. So 4x times 1 gives you what? 4x equal to what? 4 times 3 gives what? 12. So if we divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 4, we have 4x divided by 4 equals to 12 divided by what? 4. So 4 cancel itself 1, 4 cancel 4. So 4 cancel itself 1, 4 cancel 12, 3. So x is equal to what? 3. This is the solution to this problem. And the value for x is what? 3. So now on our next class, we'll still solve on further problems on exponential equation. Please like and subscribe and as well also share. See you on our next class.